Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Today, we're diving into the glittering world of gold. We'll explore its price dynamics, historical significance, and why it remains a top choice for investors. Gold has been treasured by civilizations for thousands of years. From ancient Egypt to the Roman Empire, this precious metal has symbolized wealth, power, and beauty. But beyond its allure, gold has played a crucial role in shaping economies and financial systems. The price of gold is influenced by various factors, including supply and demand, geopolitical stability, and economic conditions. In times of uncertainty, investors flock to gold as a safe haven asset, driving up its price. Conversely, during periods of economic stability, gold prices might see a dip. So, why should you consider investing in gold? Here are a few compelling reasons. Diversification. Gold provides a hedge against market volatility and inflation. Liquidity. Gold is easily convertible to cash, making it a highly liquid asset. Long-term value. Over time, gold has maintained its value, making it a reliable investment. You can invest in gold in various ways, such as physical gold, bars, coins, and jewelry. Gold ETFs, exchange-traded funds that track the price of gold. Gold mining stocks, shares in companies that mine gold. Gold futures and options, contracts that allow you to buy or sell gold at a future date. Before diving into gold investment, here are some tips. Research. Understand the market and the factors influencing gold prices. Start small. Begin with a small investment and gradually increase as you become more comfortable. Diversify. Don't put all your money into gold. Ensure your portfolio is well diversified. Stay updated. Keep an eye on economic trends and geopolitical events that might affect gold prices. And that's a wrap on today's video about gold and its investment potential. We hope you found this information valuable. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions about gold investment. Make sure to check out our other videos for more insights on investing and finance. Until next time, happy investing.